guys, we're back with another knife today. We're gonna review a Wusthof IKON Classic. This is a German made, very brittle with 14 degrees angle. If you watched Gordon Ramsay's cooking videos, then he'd use this or Santoku style of this. You guys probably know what Santoku is, right? Santokus are with scalloped edge, a little bit obtuse at the front. Usually they say Asian cook's knife, but in better term it's Santoku. This grip is very ergonomic for right-handed and left-handed people. It feels very comfy with my right hand, and same goes with my left hand. Obviously I'm not left-handed, so I'm gonna cut with my right hand, but just so you know, it's very comfortable when you grip it. One thing you need to take a note on is that most knives you pinch grip it, which means you're gonna pinch here at the end of the blade where it connects to the handle and then grip the knife. But then in this case with Wusthof IKON Classic, you're gonna grip it like this. And it's a little bit weird, and some people might say, why would you do that? We are doing this because it's balanced. The weight is around here, not in between, but it's a little bit behind. So I'll show you here. If I put my finger in between the blade and the handle, then it's gonna slip right off. See how it's trying to go with the gravity? But then if you put your finger here, then you can see it's perfectly balanced. That's why you're gonna grip it like this. Even Gordon Ramsay grips it like this, so I guess that's the correct way of handling this specific knife. The price range is around $140 US on Amazon, so if you're interested, well, you can always go to Amazon. We're not endorsing or we're not even being sponsored by any of those knife brands, so we're just sharing our information and our resources so you can make better choices. Okay, let's go start cutting our onion and apple. Okay, thank you for watching this video again, and this was Wusthof Classic IKON. I hope you guys enjoyed it, I hope you guys liked it, and if you really enjoyed it, please click on like and subscribe. I'll see you next time with more beneficial infos and even more interesting videos and tips. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Thanks for watching our knife review series. That was it for our reviews. The one you just watched, the Wusthof 8-inch IKON Chef, was our final review for this series. And we are gonna come back with other knives if you happen to buy a new one. And if you get more support from me, other comments asking for knife reviews, then we will definitely come back for this more. Really, thanks for your support and thanks for watching our knife reviews. I hope that helped each and every one of you who watched this video with choosing your own first knife or even second. I'll see you with another content and another series from next time. See ya.